Let's compute each sum below. We have two sums here. They're actually what we call partial sums of a geometric sequence. We say partial sums because it's actually a finite number of terms. There's actually 8 terms here in this partial sum, excuse me. We do have a formula for the partial sum of a geometric sequence. It's S sub n is equal to a sub 1 times 1 minus r to the n all over 1 minus r. You could easily spot the r here. The r here is 1/3. You could look at it as 2 consecutive terms. 5 times 1/3 over what? 5. So we can see that r is 1/3 in this case. We even know a sub 1. A sub 1 is 5. It's right there. I could point it out for you. It's a sub 1 right there. This right here is a sub 2. And to get the common ratio, you simply take a sub 2 divided by a sub 1. And that's how we got 1/3. The rest is just plug into a formula, but you do need to count the number of terms. So you're trying to find the partial sum for S sub 8. All right, a sub 1 is 5. And then 1 minus 1/3 raised to the 8. And then 1 minus 1/3 here is 2/3. S sub 8 is equal to, let's see here. We could say 15 halves times 1, let's use a bracket, 1 minus 1/3 raised to the 8th. Go ahead and use your calculator. Excuse me, you're not supposed to use a calculator. It says to write our answer as a fraction. So why don't we go ahead and simplify this. Take this expression, S sub 8, and we're going to try to do our best to write fractions here. Let's see here. Common denominator, 6, 5, 6, 1 over 6, 5, 6, 1 minus 1 over what? 6, 5, 6, 1. There we go. So we have 6, 5, 60. 6, 5, 60 over 6, 5, 6, 1. And of course, we could reduce some common factors here. There's a 3 in 15, and there's a 3 in 6, 5, 6, 1. So we could reduce a factor here of 3, and 6, 5, 6, 1 is divisible by 3. We get 2187 here. And of course, 6, 5, 60 is divisible by 2. We get a 1 here. And we get a 3280. So you're just taking, reducing, I should say. You're reducing common factors. Well, now we're left with 5 times 3280 over what? 2187. Let's see if that reduces any more. I don't think so. And we get a partial sum of 16400, all divided by 2187.